And just before we go, let's quickly do a recap of the top legal stories that we tracked in the courts.
Last week, Monday, the Lagos High Court sitting in Ikeja struck out a 25.7 billion naira charge by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission against the former managing director of the defunct bank PHB, Francis Atuche. Mr. Atuche and his wife Elizabeth were standing trial alongside the former chief financial officer of the bank, Ugo Anyanwu. They were charged to court by the EFCC for allegedly stealing the 25.7 billion naira from the bank while Atuche was the chief executive officer. Justice Lateef Lawal Akakpo discharged the trial after finding that the court lacked jurisdiction to hear the case as the allegation of purchase of shares and stocks brought against the accused persons fell squarely within the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court. And at the Federal High Court sitting in Lagos last week Tuesday, Justice Ibrahim Buba reiterated the validity of a judgment of the court restraining any extradition process against the senator representing Ogun East Senatorial District, Buruji Kashamu. The judge restated the order in a judgment on a contempt application filed by Senator Kashamu against the Attorney General of the Federation and the Chairman of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Ahmadu Giade. Justice Buba dismissed a preliminary objection filed by the NDLEA and then warned the AGF and the NDLEA chairman to be of good conduct and obey the subsisting order of the court. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja last week Thursday fixed July 1 to deliver ruling on an application by Senator Kashamu seeking an order striking out the extradition suit instituted against him by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation. And to election matters now, Justice Adeni Ademola of the Federal High Court Abuja last week Thursday ordered the People's Democratic Party member of the House of Representatives representing Onitsha North-South Federal Constituency of Anambra State, Godwin Idu, to vacate his seat. Justice Ademola also cancelled the certificate of return which the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) had earlier issued to him and ordered that the plaintiff in the suit, Linda Chuba Ikpeazu, should be sworn in Idu's stead. Chuba Ikpeazu had filed the suit which predated the March 28, 2015 election to challenge the substitution of her name earlier submitted to INEC as the winner of the PDP primaries. And the Akwa Ibom State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Abuja last week ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to move all the materials used in the April 11, 2015 governorship election in the state to its headquarters in Abuja for inspection. The tribunal chairman, Justice Sadiq Umar, gave the order following an application by the All Progressives Congress and its governorship candidate, Umana Okonumana. The APC and its governorship candidate are challenging the victory of Governor Udom Emmanuel. On the foreign scene, a South African court last week Wednesday held that the country acted unlawfully by allowing Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir leave the country on the 15th of June. Al-Bashir left the country after attending a two-day African Union summit in Johannesburg in spite of arrest warrants issued for him by the International Criminal Court on charges of war crimes and genocide. The North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria had said it would invite the National Prosecution Authority to decide if criminal charges should be preferred against the government.
This is where we wrap up today's program, but do let's keep the conversation going online. You can send me a mail, a Facebook comment, or a tweet. Don't forget that you can find these and past episodes of the program on our YouTube channel. I am Shola Shayeli. Thank you for watching.